Withdrawing money from Apple Pay to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to transfer your funds easily. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage your Apple Pay transactions and linked payment methods. Step 2. Select Apple Cash. In the Wallet app, tap on the Apple Cash card. This will display your Apple Cash balance and transaction history. Step 3. Tap on the Transfer to Bank option. Look for the option that says Transfer to Bank or Transfer. Tap on it to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount of money you wish to transfer to your bank account. Make sure it does not exceed your available balance. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the details and confirm the transfer. You may need to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once the transfer is confirmed, the funds will be sent to your bank account. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the money to appear in your account.